Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about curtain tiebacks. Curtain tiebacks are a great way to add a touch of style and sophistication to your home decor. They can also help to keep your curtains out of the way when you are not using them. Type of curtain tiebacks. There are many different types of curtain tiebacks available, so you can find one that fits your style and budget. Some of the most popular types of curtain tiebacks include rope tiebacks. Rope tiebacks are a classic and versatile option. They can be made from a variety of materials including cotton, hemp and jute. Metal tiebacks. Metal tiebacks are a modern option. They can be made from a variety of metals including brass, silver and gold. Wood tiebacks are a natural and rustic option. They can be made from a variety of woods including oak, maple and cherry. Fabric tiebacks are a great way to add a pop of color or pattern to your decor. These can be made from a variety of fabrics including velvet, scale, silk and linen. Magnetic tiebacks are a convenient and easy to use option. They are held in place by magnets, so there is no need to drill holes in your walls. How to choose the right curtain tiebacks? When choosing curtain tiebacks, there are few things you will want to keep in mind. The style of your curtains. The style of your curtain tiebacks should complement the style of your curtains. For example, if you have traditional curtains, you might want to choose traditional curtain tiebacks. If you have modern curtains, you might want to choose modern curtain tiebacks. The color of your curtains the color of your curtain tiebacks should coordinate with the color of your curtains. You can choose a complementary color or contrasting color. The size of your curtain tiebacks should be proportional to the size of your curtains. You don't want your curtain tiebacks to be too small or too large. How to install curtain tiebacks? Most curtain tiebacks with some instructions on how to install them. However, here are some general tips. Measure the distance between the curtain and the wall. This will determine the length of the curtain tieback you need. Mark the location of the curtain tieback hooks on the wall. The hook should be spaced evenly apart. Drill holes in the walls at the marked location. Attach the curtain tieback hooks to the wall. Attach the curtain tiebacks to the hooks. Tips for using curtain tiebacks. Here are few tips for using curtain tiebacks. Use multiple curtain tiebacks to create a more dramatic effect. Use different types of curtain tiebacks to add variety to your decor. Change out your curtain tiebacks seasonally to update your decor. Curtain tiebacks are a great way to add a touch of style and sophistication to your home decor. They can also help to keep your curtains out of the way when you are not using them. With so many different types of curtain tiebacks available, you are sure to find that one fits your style and budget. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you and learn more about curtain tiebacks. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home decor tips.